Welcome back to Sunny's Adventures, and this morning we went on a bat hunt. Will found a bat in his shower, and we were going to find it in this field where he put it, because they supposedly can't fly from the ground, but he's not there anymore. So hopefully he's good, but we're going to go ride the train in Georgetown, and then the mine tour included in the train, and then head back on the train. But it's about 2 hours from here, so we got a journey.
Good morning, y'all. Good morning.
Good morning, y'all. Hey guys, we made it to Idaho Springs on Minor Street Market, and we're gonna go walk down these old towns, and then the pizza place we're trying to eat at, it opens in 15 minutes, so yeah, and then we got a little bit of time to burn, but this is very pretty.
I'm just doing stretches.
Yeah,
my glutes hurt.
Her butt hurts from yesterday's hike, and then we sat in the car for 2 hours to get here, but I'm so excited for this train and mine tour.
Me too.
Do it.
We out here.
Say hi to Tori.
Sorry.
Alright, we're in Georgetown, and we're about to hop on this train. It's gonna be so sick. We're gonna also do the mine tour in here, so yeah, we just got here. I'm sorry, it's a little windy. It's about 60 degrees out right now, 65. So, up here in the mountains, because this is the Rockies, so it's a little chillier than down in Fort Collins. But this is gonna be so fun, I'm excited. This is like one of my favorite things I was looking forward to, so finally made it. Train starts boarding in 15 minutes. Let's do it. Get them views right here. Okay, we got on the train and we got an open top. Let's go. Mine tour time. How was the train so far?
It's awesome.
You? Solid?
Autobot train.
Well, I'm motion sick.
Are you actually? Oh, sorry.
All she's been doing is die.
All right, I'll have you guys stand right there. Guys, for me, all these minerals breaking down.
Alright, I enjoyed that mine. It was actually really informative. In the first or second room, I thought I was gonna pass out. I was so lightheaded in that room, it was nuts. But we figured it out. We got it. We made it. Going back on the train. Alright, so our tour guide was a Red Bull rider professionally, and actually was in like Red Bull movies. How dope is that? Dude was a history major, so he gave us
He's not
the...
a Red Bull. He was a snowboarder.
Yeah, Red Bull is a company that sponsors snowboarding.
Huh?
He rides for Red Bull.
Oh, I didn't know that. He just said professional snowboarder.
Yeah, for Red Bull.
Oh.
And then, so he's a history
Towards
major.
ACL.
Tore his ACL, so now he can't snowboard. So he teaches snowboarding in the winter and teaches mine tours in the summer. Dude had a lot of knowledge and it was sick. Do this tour for Joey in Georgetown. Oh, this is cooler. Also, we made it to Georgetown, just downtown, and we're gonna get some ice cream. Ice cream. And this town is so pretty and like old. It's got those like downtown vibes or whatever, you know? And like, oh, look at this purple building. Little town in the mountains. Can't get much better than that. Gang, gang.
This is where I belong. This is my calling. Be a teacher out here.
Doing squatch, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, we're walking down the streets of Georgetown, eating ice cream, just living life to its fullest over here.
Yeah.
I no longer feel nauseous and dizzy and elevation sickness. We were up about over, it was 9,100 feet. Now we're back down.
9,000?
Or, yeah, 9,100.
Oh.
But,
I thought you said 900.
yeah, only 900, guys. That's
Just high
enough to make me
enough
throw
there.
up, right? Just kidding. 9,000 will. But we're back. We're feeling better, eating some calories.
Street sign is.
I know, we're gonna walk. This town is so old. It's got so much history behind it. Oh, there's cars. All right, I gotta go. Guys, I'm going to my very first Bucky's. They have one here in Colorado.
I want the pajama set. I've heard about the Buckee pajamas.
Yes.
And
so this is gonna be dope. Tori and Will are parking the car and we're walking in. Let's do it. All right, we made us as Legos. This is Autumn, right there. You see her? Always asking for a hairbrush. This is me, backpacking, like we were yesterday.
I can't get my chicken.
And here's Tori. Because yesterday at the rodeo, she ate a gigantic turkey leg. We're gonna tie-dye t-shirts for the 4th of July colors. We got blue dye, obviously red dye.
we got a beefy Hanes white tee. Should fit this beefy body of mine.
Yeah, get it, Autumn. And we gotta get them damp.
Do I have dirt on my ass?
No,
Can
actually.
you see my underwear line?
Turn around and bend over. Yes.
Oh, fuck.
Did it work? She got it damp
Can
outside.
you do mine? No. Well, then I quit.
The water is where you give up.
Alright, I'm gonna go get mine damp. So here's my spiral. This is my attempt at a spiral. Tori, what's the inspo? Also spiral?
Also spiral.
Here's mine.
She's just gonna squirt the dye on the front. I don't know his inspo. He's folding his. His might be the flag design
Flag. Well,
instead of the spiral, which actually would be way sicker than the spiral.
try.
But I'm gonna ask him what he's doing because he probably Googled something while he was in there. But we didn't.
I did.
Well, I didn't because I've done the spiral every time I've tie-dyed. Since I know it's you.
Here. We're gonna do yours different. Okay, buddy? Okay? Don't move.
What are you gonna make hers?
SpongeBob.
No, it's gonna be a surprise.
Do you know how?
Yes. No, I'm just gonna mess up Autumn's t-shirt. Yes, I know how. This one is a lot simpler, okay?
Is that the line across? That'll probably look like a flag then. Stay tuned if this goes well or not. Alright, this man's making a flag.
I don't know whether to do the stripes like at a diagonal or vertically, you know?
Mm-hmm. So I'm assuming this is the stripes and this is going to be the...
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to take some marbles and then put a marble and then put this over it and then rubber band it so it keeps the area white.
Okay, I'll grab the rubber bands. This is going to look cool. Don't fill those yet.
Why?
Because it says you to wait till you're ready to apply it.
Yeah, I'm ready to apply it.
But we're going to do it all at the same time. Alright, we got low lighting here, but this is Autumn, Tori's. And then mine is the full color one. And then that weird looking one is Will's. He's going like trying to do the flag one. Hopefully that turns out. That one's more of an experiment. But we have like a ton of extra dye. I figured we would have been running short between 4 people. But we have 2 full bottles essentially. So we're gonna either ask Will's parents if he wants to use the dye, or if they want to use the dye, or maybe Will has a couple extra white t-shirts. Maybe Will can make a few more, just in case the flag doesn't work. But that's where we're at. So stay tuned tomorrow and see what they look like, because we'll unfold and reveal. Also, we couldn't get a park pass for tomorrow. We were gonna go into the Rocky Mountains National Park, but they were full and sold out, so we were not quick enough to get tickets. But we can try again tomorrow for Saturday, and that would be our last chance to even get into the Rockies. Well, we went to the Rocky Mountains today, but not the Rocky Mountain National Park. So, if we want to hit the park, we got to be more on top of our game, but we're gonna try. And tomorrow we may just do a lake day slash chill slash maybe go down into Old Fort Collins again. Yeah, it's pretty much gonna wrap up our night. Probably gonna play some board games and just chill the rest of the night after this tie-dye. Good night from Colorado.